Kailangan ba mga pangyayaring ito?
Kailangan, sir. Committed kami. Kailangan makarating kami ng Maynila. Naghihintay ng tulong ang mga kasamahan namin sa Camp Crame at Camp Aguinaldo.
Paano kung hindi kita payagang umalis?
Sir, you're my commanding officer. But this time, I'll be forced to shoot you.
How about my men behind me?
Sir, behind me are 107 heavily armed fighting men, ready to kill and die for our cause. How about that, sir? I'm sorry, sir, but we have to leave.